Hey guys, today I've got a quick review of this E12 100W replacement bulb. So what this means is that this is an LED bulb and it's going to take an old iridescent bulb that uses 100 watts and replace it, and this is only going to use 10 watts. So much more energy efficient. I'm gonna go install it in a few different fixtures so you can see what the difference looks like. It is very bright and very compact and uses the E12 base. But if you want to replace a standard light bulb with this, they do make an E26 to E12 converter right here, so that you can plug this into a standard bulb as well. So let's get into the testing and unboxing. All right, before we do some testing, let's just take a close-up look of these bulbs. Very cool looking. They have the E12 skinny base on here. They do make converters so that you can plug these into an E26, so keep that in mind as well. But as you can see, there's a ton of different diodes on there. Have a nice little gasket right here as well, which is good to see. And then that slim E12 base. And this pack does come with 5 different individually packaged bulbs. So here is an old lamp. This is what it looks like with the original light bulb. I'm gonna go ahead and install this E12 on there and see what it looks like. Should be hopefully a lot brighter. As you can see, it's definitely brighter. It's lighting up that whole shade. This is also a nice, much cleaner kind of white light that I think is more modern looking than your standard kind of yellowish light. So that was a good upgrade. Now let's move on to installing them on the kitchen lights. So this is the light we're going to be installing them on. We'll give you a quick before look. You can see pretty strong yellow light. And now we'll go ahead and put on these bulbs. So while I'm putting these bulbs on, let's talk about some of the benefits of these. So E12 base, a lot smaller, a lot skinnier, can fit in a lot of different kind of devices. Now another pro of these bulbs is that they're gonna last a very long time. You basically should never have to replace these, and they use very minimal electricity. So you're going to be saving a lot of money each year in power cost, especially if you have these on your kind of outdoor fixtures that are on maybe 12 hours a night or something like that. So a lot of pros and really not a lot of cons. So we'll install our last one here and then we'll go ahead and turn this on and see just how bright it is with our new bulbs. Very bright. So now we have much more light in our kitchen. Can see everything a lot more clear, and it's also a nice light kind of daylight color instead of that kind of orange hue. One last very good pro of these is that they are extremely bright. So for kind of external security lights, like this one right here, we're gonna install this and it should be a great improvement to the brightness and the longevity of these lights. So let's try it out. They're also a much more compact size, which is very nice too. But as you can see, this is much brighter. Hard to even look directly at it. I'll go ahead and lower the exposure so you can see the individual lights right there. Very powerful light, and definitely check them out, guys.